Hi everyone, I'm Jesse Lee. Are you looking for a reliable catalytic supplier? Here we go. We are a direct factory with years of OEM experience. Here is our exhibition room. These are some of our OEM brands we worked with, like this. And here are our standard package. Our Tofu catalytic is one of our best-selling products with high quality, low dust, and very popular in different markets. And this is the mixed Tofu catalytic with auto control beads. And this is our cassava catalytic. It's very new in the market. We are factory, also we are catalytic exporter. Don't be afraid to ask me a question. I'm here to help your business. We have very low MOQ. The minimum order quality up to 1 ton is very good for your business, I think. And also we provide free samples